Hey everyone, this is Sarah with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to go up and down the stairs with a cane. So how does a patient go up and down the stairs with a cane? Well, the concept is the same like how we learned with crutches. Remember, I told you to remember up equals good, down equals bad. And what we're referring to is the good leg going up first, which would be the strong leg, versus whenever we're going down the stairs, it would be the bad leg that's going to go first, so the weak side. Therefore, how do we go up the stairs using that concept? Well, what the patient wants to do is they want to hold the cane on that good/strong side. Then they're going to move the good leg up onto the step, and they're going to put weight onto the cane and then move the cane and the bad leg up onto the step. Now to go down the stairs, the patient again is going to hold the cane on the good side, that strong side. They're going to move the cane down onto the step with the bad leg. So the bad leg is going down. Then they're going to move the good leg down onto the step. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.